Okay, we're going over how to put ridge cap on. Josh has got a mark up on the top 6 inches from the center of the ridge line because our ridge cap is 12 inches wide. I got a mark right here. I'm gonna tail through that and snap a line. Snap it, Josh. That is the line that we are going to hold for the edge of our shingles all the way up for our ridge cap. So the starter down here, the first one, we have to cut a taper on. So I just held this in place until the point meets at the corner of the building. Fold this over, and then I scribed it from the backside with a Sharpie that you can't see at all because it's black. But I will follow that line in the dark here the best I can. Leave a little point like that. And this is our first one that goes down. We want to nail in this tar or above it because we're going to cover that tar every time. So I am going to fold this over. Oh, long nails. There we go. Need to use a little longer roofing nail here, 1.5 inches or better. Because it's a new roof, we can use 1.5 inches, I believe. And we can hand nail these. So for successive courses, you want to hand me one there? There we go. We want to overlap the tar and then maintain this chalk line on our on the outside edge of the shingle, not here because it steps back a little bit. Just fold it over, make sure we are parallel with that line, and nail it off all the way up. Our overlap, like I said, our overlap, this tar is really what holds it down, melts it together. And we can go through the tar. 1, 2 more, so we can see what it starts to look like. So I'm tabbing just over the tar till the color is kind of consistent there, okay? And then there's good too. I'm holding this down with my arm so that it doesn't shift on me when I'm putting these nails in. So just another thing, use the heel of your hand to hold the shingle in place. Kind of like shooting pool. I got it pinned down here. Okay, one more for good measure, and then we can kind of step back and see what that's starting to look like. Find our chalk line, get our overlap good. Ow. Lets you know you're alive. Okay, and then I would get up on the roof at some point here, run this all the way up, and finish out our ridge cap on our hips seam.